computer, hardware components, peripheral devices. Computer cannot work on its own unless it is supported by some other devices along with the CPU to complete the system. These devices are known as peripheral devices. They mainly consist of input devices, output devices, secondary storage devices. Input devices are those units through which we send instructions and data to the machine for processing. The different types of input devices are keyboard, mouse, light pen, scanner, web camera. It is the most widely used input device. It is used to enter the data into the system. A keyboard has 4 different types of keys. These keys are numeric keys, alphanumeric keys, function keys, special character keys. A mouse is popularly known as a pointing device. It is connected to the CPU. It consists of a roller at the bottom on which the upper part rolls. An optical mouse may not contain a roller but has a light source at the base to detect the position of the cursor. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons and a scroller. It moves on a soft rubber base called the rubber pad. With the movement of the mouse, a pointed arrow, a mouse cursor moves on the screen. The arrow on the screen is used to select items from the menu. The mouse cursor is taken to the desired place and then clicked to get the task done. Light pen. It is a pointing device which has a pen-like structure. Inside the pen there is a photo sensor which detects light. The pen is placed on the screen of the monitor that sends light signal. The photo sensor transmits its equivalent signal to the CPU. This enables us to draw a picture directly on the screen. The pen is generally used in computer-aided designing, that is in CAD. Scanner. It is an input device which allows the users to take the images of the text or photographs from the source. The images can be saved onto the disks for further processing. There are 3 functions of the scanner: scan, copy, email. Scan. It captures the images that can be saved as a file or sent to an image editing application. Copy. It scans the images and sends it to the printer to get a hard copy at the same time. Email. It scans the images and delivers it directly to the email editor. Web camera, webcam. Webcams are the most common video capturing devices connected to the computer or computer networks, often using a USB port. A webcam generally includes a lens, an image sensor, and some electronic components through which images are captured in the system. They are well known for their low manufacturing cost and flexible applications. Output devices. Output devices are the devices through which we get the results of any processed data. Different types of output devices are visual display unit, printer, LCD projector. Visual display unit, that is monitor. Visual display unit is one of the most common output devices. A VDU is similar to a television screen having a cathode ray tube. A cathode ray tube consists of 3 main parts: electron gun, deflecting plates, fluorescent screen. A cathode ray tube is used to convert electrical signals into visual signals. On the left hand side we have a LCD CRT screen, and the right hand side we have LCD screen. Printers or common output devices used to get the results on paper, hard copy. They provide information in a permanent and readable form. The data or information is transferred from the main memory of the computer to the printer and then printed on the paper. In printers, there are two types: non-impact printers and impact printers. The examples of non-impact printers are inkjet printers, thermal matrix printers, laser printers. Examples of impact printers are dot matrix printers, daisy wheel printers, line printers. Impact printers. An impact printer forms characters or images by striking mechanism in which it hits a print hammer or a wheel against an inked ribbon and leaves an image on the paper. It has a mechanism resembling to that of a typewriter. It uses either ribbons or carbon papers to leave impressions on the paper. It has very low printing quality. Example: dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer, drum printer. The dot matrix printer, it is one of the most popular low-cost printers. It leaves the impression of characters in the form of dots as shown below. Non-impact printers. A non-impact printer forms characters and images without a direct physical contact between the printing mechanism and the paper. It uses ink cartridges and the impressions appear on the paper with the flow of ink. It works noiselessly and the printing quality is very high. Example: laser printer, inkjet printer. Differences between impact and non-impact printer. Impact printer, it forms characters by striking a print hammer against an inked ribbon. It forms characters without making direct contact with the paper. It uses either ribbon or carbon paper. It uses ink cartridges. It makes noise while printing. It prints smoothly on the paper. LCD projector, a liquid crystal display projector, is an output device used to magnify the presentations prepared on a computer. It accepts the data or information from the CPU. With the help of a small LCD panel, the data is fed and then passes through a convex lens. The presentations are then received on the screen in a magnified form. These projectors are widely used in seminars, for demonstrations, in classroom, and in cinema for showing movies. Secondary storage devices. We need some devices where we can store the data or instructions permanently for future use. These devices are known as secondary storage devices or storage media. The different types of storage devices are hard disk, DVD, Blu-ray disc, thumb drive, CD-ROM, SD card and micro SD card. Hard disk. It is one of the most useful and popular storage devices. A hard disk pack consists of a number of rigid circular metallic plates coated with iron oxide. These circular plates are mounted on a common spindle, and this pack is rotated at a high speed, approximately 3600 rpm. The disk surface contains circular paths called tracks. These are tracks. Each track is further divided into sectors. These are the sectors and form clusters when combined. These are the clusters when combined. These are the tracks. This is a sector C, the sector track inside the thing. When combined, you get cluster. Thumb drive or a flash drive. It is a latest portable data storage device known as thumb drive or flash drive. Unlike RAM, a thumb drive is a rewritable and holds the data without the power supply. The SD card and micro SD card. The SD card, secure digital card, is an ultra small flash memory or a non-volatile memory card designed to provide high capacity memory in a small size. It is more popular, stable, and versatile. It weighs approximately 2 grams. SD cards are used in many small portable devices such as digital video camcorders, digital cameras, audio players, mobile phones, tablets. The storage capacity of these cards varies from 1 GB to 16 GB.